Welcome to my channel. How to pick the right used engine for your car in 2025. 1. Identify your engine code. Always start by checking your car's engine code on the VIN sticker or owner manual to avoid buying the wrong model. 2. Match the year, make and model. Make sure the used engine matches your car's year, make, and model. Even small differences can cause fitment issues. 3. Check mileage on the used engine. Lower mileage usually means better life. Aim for engines under 80,000 to 120,000 kilometers for best reliability. 4. Verify the engine's running condition. Ask for compression test results or a running video before buying to confirm the engine starts and idles properly. 5. Inspect for oil leaks. Check around the head gasket, valve cover, oil pan, and front seals to ensure the engine is not leaking. 6. Look for water damage or rust. Avoid engines that show signs of rust, water entry, or flood damage, as these fail early. 7. Check internal cleanliness. Remove the oil cap and look inside. A clean, amber-brown interior indicates proper maintenance. 8. Ask for service history. If possible, get details about previous maintenance. Engines with regular oil changes are more reliable. 9. Compare warranty options. Choose sellers that offer 30 to 90 days warranty for extra safety in case something goes wrong. 10. Buy from a trusted seller. Pick a reputed scrapyard, importer, or certified engine dealer to ensure quality and avoid scams. Thanks for watching.